Welcome to Curiosity Kitten.
Hi friends, I'm Stephanie, and I make videos attempting to demystify making, arts, crafts, baking, and making in general. I do this by showing projects, including the setbacks, mistakes, and experimentation. Making things is not a perfect process. Errors will be made, but learning from the mistakes and finding a solution is part of the fun. I wanted to give a quick overview of pins and what this little strawberry is for on a pin cushion. So I just finished a project, a sewing project, and found that my pins were terrible at poking through fabric. So I wanted to give a quick demonstration of, that one went through those really easily, but I did have to mix up the pins quite a bit. So these may be the sharper ones that are actually going through here. But I can feel the resistance when I push the pin through, and this is just 2 layers of fabric. If I try to go through 4 layers of fabric, you can even possibly hear, let me see. There's a lot of resistance in trying to slide those pins through. So what I wanted to show you was the little strawberry that comes on a pin cushion is filled with emery. So you're supposed to be able to run your pins through the emery and sharpen them. So I wanted to see if it actually works. It could be possible that this one's not filled with emery because someone didn't know that that's what it was for, but I'm hopeful. So I'm just going to slide the pin in and out a few times, and then we'll try to run it through the fabric again. I feel like there's still a lot of resistance, but I did buy some new pins, so I wanted to see the difference. Oops. I thought they were pretty with their little pink pearlized. So let's try to slide this through the 4 pieces of fabric. There's some resistance, but it doesn't sound gritty when it goes through. So it went a lot smoother because these pins are brand new, whereas these are millions of years old. Just kidding. And there's a lot more it sounds like grit, like it's going through sand or something like that. And you can see where I don't know if you can tell on that one, but it's bent, where I've tried to push the pins through and it has just bent the pins. That's how much friction there is on the pin going into fabric sometimes. So I bought these newer pins, but in order to maintain your existing pins, you can use the emery function of the strawberry on a pin cushion in order to sharpen your pins as you go. I let these go too long, and so that's why I bought replacements for them. So this was just a quick little tutorial about what the strawberry is for and how to maintain your pins. Thanks! If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, please hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like announcements of when a new video is available, ring the little bell. Your support is greatly appreciated, and I hope to see you next time on Curiosity Kitten, where I demystify making.